It's still Christmas season and we're still making Christmas cards. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Get your pencil and your paper out. I'm using a watercolor paper because I'm using, you know what? I am not using watercolor. I am using acrylic on this card. Oh, I do like to tape down the corners, and we're going to draw 5 circles. Just randomly draw 5 circles that are kind of in a group together. You can do it. And they don't have to be perfect circles. Just 5 circles. When you're decorating and when you're grouping things together, an odd number is always the best. So just put 5 circles. I do want to apologize for the lighting on this video. For some reason, I made 4 or 5 videos in one day and I didn't check them. And the lighting on this, I don't know how I have my phone. I videotape with my phone and the quality is just not good. I already know that, but I am practicing editing. I am practicing talking, doing a voiceover. So if you happen to know how to do these things better, please put a comment in and maybe you can teach me something. Link it to your videos that you teach how to do this even better using an iPhone and using CapCut. So those are the 2 things that I'm using to do my editing. All right, pick 5 colors. It doesn't matter. On this one, I have red, blue, gold, and you can't even tell that this is gold, but gold should be on every single Christmas card. Green and I believe purple. All right, I am using acrylic on watercolor paper. The reason I use acrylic is because if the card gets wet, the paint's not going to run. It's not going to ruin the card. Now, more than likely, whoever I send this card to, they'll end up throwing it away anyway. You never know, right? Some of my Christmas cards I've saved for years, and it depends on what kind of nice note I put in the center of it. So, but I am taking all the cards that I've been doing the last few days and I'm taking them to an art show. So maybe I'll sell them. I sell my hand painted ones for $5 a card and they go in a little sleeve. And I sell, if it's a print, because I do usually scan all of my cards. And then if I sell a print, it's $3 a card without a sleeve, but they all get an envelope. All right, so once the card is done, I glue it onto a regular piece of paper of a card, like it's card stock that you put into a printer to make a print of the card. And somewhere along the line, I wrote Merry Christmas on there and I totally did not see that happen. Oh my goodness. I hope you're just having fun watching the video. Now, when I glued that on there, guess what? I discovered my paper's not as long as the card. You know what? That's an easy fix because once this all dries, I'm just going to trim it off with a pair of scissors. It will be fine. Sometimes the challenging part on doing this is getting all the edges lined up beautifully. And once I have it glued, then I take wax paper and as it's drying, I let it dry about 10 minutes, kind of set it up. I put a piece of wax paper in the card in case some glue bled. And then I put it underneath my cutting board. And look at this, I've got things all mixed up. Oh, but you just can't see the lines maybe. Oh, yes you can, I've got it mixed up. I'll be doggone. When I put this thing together, I've got it all mixed up. Well, most people don't watch this long anyway, so no, most people won't even know that I made a major goof up on this video. But here we go. Now I'm drawing the lines, which you already saw the lines on there with the Merry Christmas. Ooh, this is backwards. Don't do it this way. You get the gist of it. I'm just having fun, joyfully creating some cards and joyfully posting videos. They're not the greatest videos, but you know what? It's okay. If you keep coming back, you can watch the progression of my skill set getting better and better. So I'm using a Sharpie to outline the ornaments, and to draw those lines, I'm just writing the word Merry Christmas on there. And then these cards, I only made one of this card, and I probably will scan it. Oh, here's where I'm going to cut off the little edge there. And it will fit just nicely, cutting it off, into the envelope. And trim this side. And it is a homemade card. Remember? It's a homemade card. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by. I am Joyful J, and this is Joyful Creating. You have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.